you are welcome to today's lesson. Today we have science for basic 2. There's not only for basic 2, if you are in basic 3, even those in basic 1, basic 4, 5 and 6. This lesson is for you. Those in JHS, this lesson too is for you, and it's for everybody. Today we are looking at strand 4. Strand 4. What do we have at strand 4? We have forces and energy. Forces and energy. So under strand 4 we have sub-strand 3. Forces and movements. Forces and movements. The indicator. Identify simple machines used for specific work. Identify simple machines used for specific work. So today's lesson, we are looking at, the topic is what? Simple machines. Simple machines. All of you, simple machines. Again, simple machines. So today, we are going to look at simple machines. And these are some words that we will see in the text. So the first one is machines. All of you, machines. Again, machines. The next one, work. 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 How do you pronounce this? Remove. 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 And this word too, drive. 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 And this one, tighten, tighten, tighten. Okay. So these are the words that we will see in the lesson. You get to know the meaning. Don't worry, eh? Let's move on. We do different activities at home and in school all the time. We sweep, we weed, we carry and do other things. We do all these things with machines. These machines are called simple machines. Simple machines are easy to use. They also help us work faster and more easily. Let us look at some pictures of simple machines. So today's lesson, as I told you, we are looking at simple machines. They are machines that help us to work faster and more easily. These machines, they don't need any source of power. They don't need battery, they don't need fuel, they don't need electricity. You just pick them and start using them. That is why we call them simple machines. They are easy to use, and when we are using them too, like the work goes what? Faster. So that is what we are looking at, eh? Simple machines. Now, if I ask you to give me examples of simple machines, if you don't know, don't worry. These are examples. What is this? This is what? Scissors. I hope you have seen scissors before. Scissors is what? A simple machine. Now let's come here. What is this? Bottle opener. Those who like Coke and Fanta, the bottle one. If you want to open it, you use this. Stop using your teeth. Those of you who like using their teeth to open what? Bottles. Hey. Please use bottle opener. Why? Okay. The next one. Forceps. Forceps. This is not common. But if you want to become a medical doctor, one day, this will become your tool of trade. This is what you work with. You go to work and you have all these people come, patients will come, and then you ask the nurses, hey, where are my forceps and the rest? Because you want to what? You want to touch somebody's what? Fresh. So this is what? Forceps. The next one is what? Crow hammer. Crow hammer. So look at this hammer. It is called crow hammer because look at this side and this side. So those who want to become carpenters, those who want to what? Work with wood, this is one of the tools that you need. So we use this to what? To drive nails and to remove nails. Another one, screwdriver. I have told you before that this is not screwdriver. The name is screwdriver. 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 One word, not screwdriver. We don't have anything like screwdriver. Your screwdriver, the one who drives the school bus, he has a name. So use his name for him. This is screwdriver. It is a tool. Okay. And we call it, it's also what? A simple what? Machine. This is broom. Broom is a machine, oh. You don't know. Broom is a machine. And it's one of the simple machines. So anytime you are giving examples of simple machines, remember that I said something and you were laughing. That broom is a machine. Yes, broom is a machine, but it's what? A simple machine. Okay. I'll ask you this question. I know I'll ask you, and I know you get it correct. As broom. Okay, so this is what? Wheelbarrow. This is what? Wheelbarrow. Yes, wheelbarrow. We know what we use wheelbarrow to do. It's a simple machine. The next one is what? Knife. Knife. If you want to what? Peel your orange. If you want to peel your cassava, you want to peel your your plantain, you use knife. Those who have been slicing bread, they use what? Bread knife. So that is what? Knife for you. We have pincers. This one too is used by carpenters. Okay, pincers. Now we have plier here. This is plier. Okay. Another simple machine is crowbar. Crowbar. Look at it. This bar. We call it crowbar. And then the next one is what? Spanner. Okay. Look at this. What's the name of this? Rake. This is how rake looks like. Rake is a simple machine. All the things that I'm showing to you, they are simple machines. So this is shear. This one, if you have garden or if you have hedges and you want to trim the hedges, you use this to trim it so that it will look what? Nice. Okay. Cutlass. You know cutlass? Those who like reading. We use cutlass to read. Okay. Cutlass too is a simple machine. So how many simple machines have we seen? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hey, 15. So if I ask you to give me 15 examples of simple machines, the first one, I know you say broom. That one, I know you say it. 2, cutlass, knife, forceps. I told you those who use forceps. And then we have bottle opener, we have scissors, hammer. Oh, they are here. Wheelbarrow, pincers, plier, spanner, crowbar, rake, shear, cutlass, and the rest. So these are what? Examples of simple machines. Let's move on. Think picture. So in groups of 4 learners, describe each of the simple machines above and state the work they are used to do. So share your ideas or your thoughts, your answers with the class. So we are going to look at all these and the work that they do. The first one is scissors. Scissors, it is used to what? Cut pieces of clothes. So if you have clothes and you want to cut it, the tailors. Do you know that I'm also a fashion designer? I'm not a tailor, but I'm a fashion designer. I can design a very beautiful dress for you. But if I don't have scissors, I cannot cut. So we use scissors to cut what? Fabrics. To cut clothes. The next one, bottle opener. This one, we use to open bottles. So from today onwards, if you use your teeth to open bottles again, and your mother reports you to me, I'll come to your place and you see what will happen. So this bottle opener, it is used to what? Remove bottle tops. Or open what? Bottles. It is used to remove bottle tops. Let's come to this side. Forceps. So it is used to what? Hold. It is used to hold or pick objects. Doctors use it for stitching. This is forceps. So if you want to become a doctor, don't worry. You use this. If somebody has injury or cuts and you want to stitch it, you use forceps. The next one is crow hammer. Crow hammer. It is used to what? Drive nails into wood and remove nails from wood. So this side is used to drive the nails and the other side is used to what? Remove the nails. This is what? Crow hammer. The next one is what? Screwdriver. Screwdriver. So it is used to what? Remove or tighten screws. You see the machines that we use, they have screws. If you want to remove the screw, you use screwdriver. If you want to tighten it, it is the screwdriver that you use. We use it to drive screw, remove screw. That is why they call it screwdriver. And people are saying it's screwdriver, screwdriver. Please, it is not screwdriver. The next word or one is what? Broom. It is used for what? Sweeping. So we use broom. We know that we use broom for what? Sweeping. Wheelbarrow. It is used to carry loads or objects from one place to another place. So this is wheelbarrow. If you have load and you want to carry it to another place, from one point to another point, it's a wheelbarrow that you use. Or you go and use knife to carry it. No, you don't use knife to carry things. But you use knife to cut soft objects. So if you have knife and you want to prepare some cabbage stew, you see, you what? You chop it. You chop it. Or you slice it. So we use what? Knife to cut soft what? Objects. Let's come to this side. Pincers. This is pincers for you, and it is used to remove nails from wood. So if you want to remove nail from wood, you use what? Pincers. The next one is plier. It is used to cut wires. So if you have wire and you want to cut it, you use plier to do it. Please don't go and use scissors. You get shock. Okay. The next one is what? Rake. So this is rake, and it is used to gather what? Rubbish. We use rake to gather what? Rubbish. Okay. And the last one here is what? Cutlass. We know that we use cutlass for what? For weeding. So it is used for weeding. Now these are simple machines and what they are used for. We have seen about 15 simple machines. We are saying that they are simple machines because they are easy to use. They help us work faster. We don't even need fuel before we can use them. You don't need to put batteries in them. You don't need to pour petrol before they can be used. You don't need electricity before they can be used. You just pick them and then you start using. Look at them. Do you need light before you can use broom? You don't need light. Do you need light before you can use these pincers? No. Plier? No. Cutlass? No. Rake? No. But they are machines. Very simple. Simple to use. Easy to use. They help us to work faster. That is what we have learned today. At least we have learned about more than 10 examples of simple machines. So in the exercises, if I ask you to mention 10 examples of simple machines and their functions or the work that they do, I believe you'll be able to mention them. Scissors, pliers, forceps, broom, knife, rake, cutlass. I've mentioned rake. What again? Rake, wheelbarrow, screwdriver. So these are the examples that I need from you, and then you can tell what they are used for what they are used for. Okay. So in summary, what have you learned today? Oh, there is an activity here. So project. Use cardboard to create a simple machine and state the use of that simple machine. So you are going to create your own simple machine with what? Cardboard. So if you want to create plier, if you can create it, if you can create what? Knife, cutlass, knife, whatever that you want to, wheelbarrow, This one, screwdriver, whatever that you want to create, use what? Cardboard to create it, and tell or state what that object or that simple machine is used for. Okay, now let's look at the next one. So in groups of 4 learners, write the appropriate machines you will use to do these activities and why. Share your answers with the class. So this activity, reading, what simple machine are you going to use for reading? I won't tell you, you know. 2, sweeping. You sweep early in the morning. What simple machine do you need for sweeping? You know. Or I should tell you, I will not tell you. I hope you know it. Carrying loads or objects. So if you have load, you want to carry them to the roadside so that you can get taxi or car to what? To take them for you. You need something. What simple machine? Is it broom? Knife? You know it. The next one, tightening what? Screws. So if you have machine and the screws, you see that the screws, they are loose, you want to tighten them. What are you going to use? Okay. Now in summary, simple machines help us work faster and more easily. Simple machines help us work faster and more easily. They do not need batteries or electricity before they can work. So simple machines, they don't need batteries, they don't need fuel, they don't need electricity. You just pick them and you start what? Using them. Today we have learned about simple machines. They are machines that are easy to use. They help us to work faster and more easily. These machines, we find them in schools. When you come home, we find them. You go to places, we find them. As for broom, you can find it wherever you go. The same goes with knife, cutlass, wheelbarrow, rake, pliers, and the rest. All these are examples of simple machines. So if your mother asks you what you have learned today, I hope today you'll be able to convince them. You'll be able to tell them, let them know that you have learned. You are not joking at all. Convince them, give them examples. The things that you have, the simple machines that you have in your house, give them examples and what they are used for. Now let's look at exercises. We have exercise 1, 5 questions, exercise 2, 5 questions, exercise 3. We have exercise 4, and then exercise 5, home assignments. So we make sure we give you a lot of exercises so that you can try your hands on it, and they are all different. Mostly our home assignments are application-based questions. So let's look at one. Write all that you have learned about simple machines. So this question is open. I hope you can write the whole book for me. Can draw. If you need to draw, you draw and then you write. I'm saying that you should write. You can draw to give examples. I'm not saying you should draw everything. You don't write in it. No. Write if you have to draw to, give more details about what you have written. You can draw. The next one is what? Draw 2 simple machines and state what they are used for. So draw 2 simple machines and state what they are used for. Draw 2 simple machines and state what they are used for. So let's see if we can do it. 2 simple machines. 2 simple machines and what they are used for. Okay, so I'm coming in. So we are going to draw 2 simple machines. This thing doesn't want to go. Don't worry, it will go. Let's go back. Two simple machines. Two simple machines and what they are used for. So one, broom. And then two, cutlass. So we have cutlass and then we have broom. Let's draw our broom. As for broom, they are simple. You can draw. Everybody can draw broom. So this is what? Our broom. They are tied here. This is our broom. Today my drawing is looking good. It's looking nice. Yes, so this is broom. Draw something like this and I'll give you 10 over 10, Draw something like this. Now let's come to cutlass. Cutlass too is cheap. It's simple. It's simple. Hey, but it's not that simple. Don't worry, I'll draw it for you. Cutlass. 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 I told you that I'll draw cutlass for you. I told you. Okay, so this is cutlass for you. So this is cutlass for you. So these are two simple machines. Okay, so what do you use broom for? Broom is used for what? For sweeping. And then cutlass is used for what? For weeding. So draw two simple machines and state their functions. Okay, so that is what I expect you to do for me. So our lesson has come to a close, and I want you to take your time, read the textbook, watch the videos again. If you don't understand, your parents are there. I always say your parents are there, your teachers are there, because I know what they can do. They are very good, they can help you. If you still want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me. My contact is there. We are on TikTok, Facebook, and what? YouTube. So if you have questions, go there and then leave your questions there. I'll answer. But tell your friends that they should come to Kokomoti series. They should watch us on these social media platforms. We are there. Apart from science, we have Asante textbook, Ekwapimchi textbook. So get copies of this book and start reading them. They will all help you. Okay. Thank you. My name is Paul Williams. Bye-bye.